Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna be making some honey jerk BBQ chicken wings. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're coming back, welcome. Now let's show you how I get this down. Okay, now y'all know we start by getting our meat nice and clean. Okay, get your lemon, your vinegar, everything. Everybody should have known that already, right? And wash up your meat nicely. Now this is how the chicken be looking after about 5 minutes on one side in the oven. At this point, I am going to now turn or flip over my chicken so that the other side can cook as well and be nice and crisp. Alright, while the chicken is in the oven, I am now going to make my sauce. So I'm gonna go in with about 3 tablespoons of butter, melt that down nicely, and then I am gonna go in with some honey. Remember now, it's Honey Jerk BBQ chicken wings. So I'm gonna add some honey in that, and then right after I add my honey, I am going in with one of the best jerk sauce, Walker's Wood. I'm gonna stir until it's nice and smooth, and then we're gonna bring it down to a boil. All right. From my kitchen, straight on your table, Honey Jerk BBQ chicken wings. I hope y'all try this at home. All right, this is really nice and delicious. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, smells delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank y'all so very much for watching.